Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Shortcuts and locating the target app. This gets you into the editing flow immediately. First, create a new shortcut and choose the action Open App so the shortcut can launch the hidden app. Once done, pick the app from the list. Make sure you select the exact bundle to avoid launching the wrong app. You do this now because packaging the app into a shortcut is what lets you hide its icon later without deleting or offloading the original. Now customize the shortcut so it doesn't look like the real app. Change the name and the icon under the three-dot menu because appearance controls discoverability. Once done, pick a neutral image or an innocuous emoji and shorten the name to something that blends in. Make sure to set Add to Home Screen here. That creates a separate icon that launches your shortcut instead of the original app. This step masks the app while keeping full functionality. Finish by adding the newly customized shortcut to your home screen, and then remove the original app icon using the standard hide/remove options. This preserves the app while hiding its original entry. Test the shortcut several times to confirm it consistently opens the intended app, and make sure any required permissions are granted. If it doesn't launch, check the shortcut's action to confirm the chosen app bundle is correct, and if needed, recreate the shortcut to resolve misconfigured steps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.